Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here again, and today I'm going to unbox the Blu-ray of Anomalisa. So I just checked I have not seen this movie at all. I've just checked the trailer of this, and it looked nice. And Wikipedia also said that the ratings are good, so I thought I would go for it. Okay, here is the bag, and let's go through the details here. So the special features include None of Them Are You, crafting Anomalisa, intimacy in miniature, the sound of unease. Okay, it's a 90 minutes film, and it's English, Czech, Polish, Russian, and Thai audio. And the the subtitles is going to be English, Hindi, Bahasa Malaysian, Chinese Mandarin traditional, Taiwan also for Singapore, Czech, Estonian, Hebrew, Hungarian, Icelandic, Korean, Latvian, Lithuanian, Polish, Portuguese, European, Romanian, Russian, Slovakian, Thai, Turkish, and Ukrainian. So these are the subtitle languages, and okay, so let me just open this up and see what we get inside. Okay, so here is the disc. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.